Hello, everyone, and welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, it's all about chicken fried rice. Now, this recipe, you are gonna love it. I'm so excited for you guys to try it. It's giving takeout, it's giving delicious, it's giving simple, quick, and easy. But before we get into the video, I'm gonna ask you please to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get right to it. Okay, so let's start with some of the ingredients that we'll be needing for this recipe. I am using jasmine rice. This was cooked the day before, and we're using 3 cups for this recipe. Also going to be using green peas, corn, carrots, ginger, and garlic. Next, you're going to cut your carrots up into strips like this. Next, you're going to mince your garlic, and we're using 2 garlic cloves for this recipe. So once you've done that, we're going to move on to our ginger, and we're going to grate our ginger, and I'm using about a knob of ginger. Next, we'll be using scallion for this recipe, and you're going to separate the stem from the leaves, and you're going to cut them up like this. We're also going to be using some chili pepper, and ensure that you remove the seeds first, and this is just going to add some heat to the dish. Okay, so now that we have most of our ingredients prepped and ready to go, we're going to move on to our chicken breasts. I'm using 1 pound of chicken breasts, clean, ready to go, and we're going to cut them up in thin strips like this. And don't worry, I will leave all the measurements in the description box for you. So once you've done that, you're going to transfer your chicken breast to a bowl, and we're going to start on our marinade. We're going to use some soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, baking powder, cornstarch, a little bit of salt, and water. And again, the measurements will be in the description box for you. So give that a good mix and let that marinate for about 15 minutes. We're also going to need 2 eggs, large eggs for this recipe. So go ahead and beat those and set that aside. Meanwhile, your pan should be hot and ready. We're going to start with stir frying our carrots. So you're going to add some oil to the pan. We're going to add our carrots. Into this mixture, we're going to add some sugar and give that a good mix. We're going to add some soy sauce, a little bit of salt, and we're going to remove after a few minutes. And again, measurements will be in the description box for you. So next, you're going to add some more oil to the pan, and we're going to scramble our eggs. Once that's done, we remove, and you're going to add some more oil to the pan, and we're going to work on our chicken. So you want to spread these out to ensure for even cooking. So after a few minutes, you're going to flip the chicken over on the other side. Next, we're going to add some dark soy sauce. And you're going to give this a good mix. Ensure that everything is even. The color on the chicken is even. And then after a few minutes, you can go ahead and remove. So to our frying pan, we're going to add some more oil. And we're going to add the stem part of the onion that we cut up earlier along with the chili pepper. So mix this into the oil until it becomes fragrant. Then you're going to add your garlic and ginger. Continue to stir, ensure that everything is nicely incorporated. An aroma from this is smelling amazing. So next we're going to add our rice to this. After a few minutes, we're going to add some soy sauce and we're going to mix this in. Once we've done that, we're going to add our green peas and corn. And for reference, I'm using canned green peas and corn. If it was frozen, then you know we'd have to let this stir fry a little bit longer. Next, we're going to add our carrots and scrambled eggs. Make sure that everything is nicely combined. Next, we're going to add some dark soy sauce. Our chicken stir fry is coming together nicely. Comment below and tell me if there's a recipe that you would like me to try. Now we are going to add our chicken to this. We're going to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated, and then you are going to add the leaf part of your scallion, and your chicken fried rice is ready. It's so delicious. I know you're gonna love it. And please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.